Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will discuss sixth question onwards from the previous year questions 2023. See this DNA profile in which one child is there named or called X, and there are 1, 2, 3 individuals. From it we have to select who is the parent of X. For that we have to compare the DNA profile. For that, just take each band of the child into consideration. So the first band of the child X will be similar to 1. So let's put one tick mark over here, and which all the individuals are getting more tick marks will be the parents. In that way we will find out. See the second one, it is similar to this 3, and this is similar to this one, and a little bit similarity is here for 2, right? Then this is similar to, this one is similar to 3. See, second person is a little bit similar, but it is very wider, but this is same in width. So let's move with the third one. This with the 3, sorry, this one, and this with 1, and this with the 3, this with 1. All are getting more similarity, 1 and 3. So the answer is C, 1 and 3. Answer is 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is the parent. Whenever you get such question, do one thing, compare this, put the tick mark. Whoever getting more and more tick marks are the parents. Okay. Let's move to next question. In the seventh question, there is a diagram or a graph where neck length of a giraffe is given in x-axis and y-axis it is number of giraffes. So the thing you have to know regarding selection graphs is stabilizing, disruptive, directional, whatever it may be. If it is disruptive, there will be 2 peaks. That you keep in your mind, then there is no confusion with the disruptive selection. Then comes stabilizing. Stabilizing and directional is there. In stabilizing, it will be always in the middle. The peak will come in the middle, and if it is directional, it will go a little bit away. I will show the diagram. In that way you can understand. You see this 3 diagram. In the first one, this is directional. It is pushed towards one end from the mean. The red one is showing the mean or average. From it, it is pushed towards one end of the graph. That is directional. In one direction, it is pushed. And what about the mean one stabilizing? It is just in the middle. What about disruptive? I told you there will be 2 peaks. So in the graph of giraffe, there is some confusion where it is not at all mentioned, or there is a confusion in that position. Some people will think it is in the middle. Some people will think it as it is pushed towards the end. So there is a position confusion. So we can conclude it as both any directional selection as the longer neck length are selected, or such stabilizing selection as the medium neck length are selected, because that positioning in the question is something confusing. So let's move with the 2 option. Both are correct. This is one easy question where they are given 325 microspores. We have to find out how many pollen grains will be formed. Pretty easy question. You just have to multiply with 4. If microspore is given and number of pollen grains to be calculated, just multiply with 4. You will get the answer 1300, right? What about megaspore? Megaspore is given, suppose 325 megaspore is given. You have to find out how many 325 megaspore mother cell is given. You have to find out how many megaspore will be formed. Then it is same. 325 itself. So the microspore mother cell to pollen grain ratio is 1 is to 4. And what about megaspore mother cell to megaspore? It is 1 is to 1. Okay. So comes again an analyzing type question where lips loop. This is from reproductive health. There are a lot of contraceptive devices. What does it do? Lips loop. What does it do? Lips loop will be phagocytosis. Phagocytosis, the sperms in uterus. Okay. Then multi-load 375. It will be making cervix hostile to sperm. Then comes subcutaneous snot plant, which will be um, creating cervical mucus. What about Saheli? Saheli will be inhibiting ovulation. That's a pill, right? Saheli one is the actually a pill. So the option, the correct one is A. Here, three are wrong. Only one is correct, which is properly matched with the endocrine gland, hormone, and its function. Let's see. Placenta is there, estrogen is there, initiate secretion of milk. Placenta estrogen, no. Ovary, FSH stimulate follicular development. There is a wrong term. Sertoli cells, testosterone, is it? No. Development of secondary character. There is a mistake. So it will be going with the C, Leydig cell. It's an androgen producing cell and it will be initiate the production of sperm. See here, the organism used in construction of first artificial recombinant DNA by Cohen and Boyer in 1975 or 72 was, what was it? It's not Bacillus, it's not Agrobacterium, it's not E. coli, it's Salmonella typhimurium. E. coli was there as a host, but the one which has been selected is Salmonella typhimurium.